The door template is identified by the last two letters on the side of the box, DR. Inside, you'll find the following items: instructions, drill bit and bushing set, 4 template inserts, hardware kit, 2 rails, template bases. To assemble the template, open the hardware kit and place a screw and washer into each of the elongated openings. On the back of the base, thread the nut onto the screw, but do not tighten. Next, slide the 2 rails into place. Lightly snug all the screws using the appropriate wrench. The drilling inserts are marked for each base. Use the chart in the technical catalog to determine the cutting locations. The pin locations are adjustable in 1 mm increments. The numbers near the holes provide the cutting distance from the inner edge of the rails when the outer edge is held against the pins. Install the provided 5/16" diameter bit and 1/2" diameter guide bushing on the plunge router.